See, first of all, what is full stack Java? What is Java? What is core Java? What is advanced Java? These all I have to explain. Say, full stack Java, Java, core Java, advanced Java. These are all the words you are calling. What's the difference between full stack Java and Java? And what are the prerequisites to learn Java? And how to learn Java? These all first before learning subject only. You have to learn these all before learning Java subject only you have to learn. Okay, before learning only you have to learn these all. See, how to learn Java and what is full stack Java. Everything you should know first. Online students, if any doubts are there, end of the session I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, end of the session I'll clarify your doubts. See, this course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. Full Stack Java Developer Program. Okay. Course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. Okay. What exactly full stack Java? What are the modules are present in this full stack Java? How to learn Java? These all I'll cover. These all I'll cover. Don't worry about notes. Don't worry about duration. Don't worry about subject. Okay. In a short period, good subject I'll show you. I'm not a fresher. I have a 20 years experience. Okay. See, first course name. Everything I'll cover. Today, no need to write the notes. Just listen the class. Today, just listen the class. Okay. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. Notes also I'll give. No need to worry about notes. Today class, just listen the class. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I'll give notes. First listen the class. See, online students, if any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give a time for doubts. At the time, you can ask in a chat box. Okay. Present, listen the class. Listen the class. If any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, every day, I'll give a time. At the time, you can ask. Okay. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. This course is divided into 5 modules. 5 modules. Okay. See, first module, first category, Java modules. Java modules. Second one, database modules. Third one, testing modules. Okay. See, first category, Java modules. Second category, database modules. Third category, testing modules. Fourth category, UI modules, user interface modules. Fifth category, development, security, operations modules. So, this course divided into 5 modules. This course, each and everything I'll explain. Listen the class. Okay. Listening is most important today. Okay. Listening is most important. Now, because what exactly full stack Java you should know. Full stack Java, Java, core Java, advanced Java. These are all the words we are calling. Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Like many words are there about Java. About that Java, these all I'll explain. First, this course divided into 5 modules. How to learn also I'll explain. How to learn Java also I'll explain. Because before learning Java, you should know how to learn. It is the most important. Say example, in a BTech also Java course is there. In a BTech, CSC, CSID, Java course is there. So many people, they completed Java course in academics only. But after completion of Java, they are unable to write single program, their own. Reason, how to learn, they don't know, but they learn. Without knowing how to learn only, they learned Java. They completed a course. They got 70% marks in BTech, but they are unable to write programs. See the position? That's what? These all first you should know. Before learning subject only, how to learn you should know. It is the most important for your career. Okay. Each and everything I'll take care. Listen the class. Okay. See, suppose one person morning to night he'll work hard, but is not getting subject. One more person daily 1 hour only learn, he'll get a subject. Reason, this person knows how to learn. Without knowing how to learn, morning to night, if you work hard, also no use. Without knowing how to learn. So, one person morning to night is working hard, but is not getting subject. One more person daily 1 hour only will spend, he'll get a subject. Reason, he knows how to learn. He knows how to learn. So, if the person knows how to learn, he can learn very quickly. It is possible. Okay. That's what how to learn Java also I'll explain. So, what is full stack Java I'll explain. How to learn Java I'll explain. What's the difference between full stack Java and Java I'll explain. What's the difference between core Java, advanced Java also I'll explain. What are the modules are there in Java also I'll explain. About complete course details, everything I'll provide. Okay. Don't worry about notes also. Running notes I'll provide. Even I'll share notes PDF files in Google Classroom also. Okay. Everything I'll take care. Okay. Just today, just listen the class. What exactly full stack Java I'll explain today. Okay. See, course name is Full Stack Java Developer Program. That course divided into 5 modules. Okay. Full stack Java divided into 5 modules. In this first category, Java modules. In Java modules, core Java will be there. Advanced Java will be there. And frameworks also will be there. Like Hibernate will be there. And Spring will be there. Dash, etc. All Java related subject comes under Java modules. Okay. So Java modules, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, dash, etc. So this is nothing but complete Java. Complete Java. Java modules, complete Java. But there are so many frameworks. One framework, Spring also, Hibernate also included here. Now, database modules. One database. In this, Oracle database will be there. In the Oracle database, you are going to learn SQL and PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL also. Testing modules. Testing modules also. Manual testing. Manual testing will be there. Online students, listen the class. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. This is online and offline batch at a time going on. Okay. Listen the class. Listen the class. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. It is not one-to-one session. So immediately responding, not possible. End of the session, I'll clarify. Because it is online and offline class. Online students are there, offline students are there. I have to take care about all students. So end of the session, I'll clarify every doubt. I'll give it time. Every day I'll give it time after class. No need to worry about your doubts, online students. Listen the class. Listen the class. See. First, manual testing. Here, testing modules, manual testing will be there. Selenium will be there. Okay. And JUnit, this type frameworks modules, these all will be there. And the user interface modules, UI modules. Here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular. So Angular, dash, etc. These all will be there. Development security operation modules. Here Maven, Gradle, these all tools will be there. AWS CloudWatch and Log4j. So like this, so many tools are there. 10+ tools are there. Okay. See, This course is divided into 5 modules. This course is divided into 5 modules: Java modules, database modules, testing modules, UI modules, development, security, operations modules. This total course divided into 5 modules. Only Java means it is first module, but full stack Java means these all will be covered. Okay, only Java means that is first module, but full stack Java means this complete. Okay, full stack Java means these all complete. See here, what exactly full stack Java developer? That is, with one diagram I'll explain. With one diagram I'll explain what exactly full stack Java developer role in software companies. Okay, what exactly full stack Java developer role in software companies I'll explain. See, for example, one application I'll take, one application. For understanding one application I'll explain. With that application you'll get a more clarity. With that application you'll get a more clarity. See, suppose it is one server. Now what I'm explaining with the diagram is what exactly full stack Java developer, that is I'm going to explain. Okay, listen with more concentration, every point important only. See, first of all, listening is most important. If listening is missed, everything is missed. Then attending class is wasted. Okay, say for example, Java, it is a language. It is a language. Language, if you want to learn, reading, writing, listening, speaking, 4 skills required. No? Listening, speaking, reading, writing, 4 skills required. Okay, see here. Suppose you already learned 3 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu. Suppose learn one more language. How much time it will take? Check it. More time it will take, no? So you are already familiar with 3 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu. Learn one more language. How much time it will take? More time it will take. And also you need to put more efforts. Now in that, listening, speaking, reading, writing, which one is highest priority? How you learned your mother tongue? Which one you learned first? Which one? Listening. Next, speaking. With listening, speaking only got a language. Before joining in a school only got a language. After joining in a school, reading, writing. But before joining in a school only, you got a language. That's what. First listen. It is also language. If listening is missed, no, everything is missed. That's it. That's what highest priority, listening. Every day I'll interact with you. Every day. After teaching, I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. Compulsory. Every day. Every day I'll interact with you. While teaching, listen. While asking question, give answer. That is only speaking. With listening, speaking only get a language. Reading, writing, nothing. See, you are familiar with English, Telugu, Hindi. Learn one more language. Reading and writing only do it. N number of days you read, you will not get a language. Reading, writing, nothing. First priority listening, next priority speaking. With that only language comes. Here also, every day I'll interact with you. At the time, first listen, later while asking question, give answer. With that only you'll get a subject. See, you are learning Java to get a job in MNC. Here, theory not required. Remember, while doing BTech, while doing MCA, while doing MTech, while doing BSc Computer Science or BCom Computer Science, pages theory learn. That is not suitable to get a job. Realize now itself. Okay? Software companies are not asking theory. Logic, programming. Logical skills and programming skills are most important for your career. Logical skills and programming skills. These two important. While doing BTech, pages theory, paragraph theory you learn. That is everyone knows. Every BTech student is perfect to write paragraphs. Okay? One line notes if I give, that line they'll make it one paragraph. Every BTech student is perfect. I know about that. You know very well how you learn BTech, how you passed BTech exams. You know very well. One line notes, if I give that line, everyone will make it one paragraph. Everyone is perfect. Okay. But software company, they don't require that type of theory. Software company requires logic. Logically, you should be strong. Programmatically, you should be strong. Then only you'll reach your target. Say your target is you want to get a job in MNC. For that, how to learn? That is also I'm going to teach. Say, for example, here, byte, say one small code snippet. Say byte A equal to 10, byte B equal to 20, byte C equal to A plus B. System.out.println C. This is software company. They'll ask. Now, what they'll ask? Will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and executes, what will be the output? If not compiles, in which line error is there? If not executes, which line error is there? And that error, can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? This type questions companies are asking, but students are learning page-space theory. But again, their target is MNC job. How it is possible? Think yourself. Software companies are asking logical questions, but students are learning pages theory. But everyone target is MNC job. Even if they get a job in non-MNC also, they don't want. They want MNC only. Target is MNC job, but they don't want to work hard for logics. Then how it is possible? Think yourself. Your learning process is wrong. Then how will reach your target? Majority people, what they are learning? Pages, paragraphs, paragraph theory. Again, they want MNC job. So that's what learning process, most important for your career. Learning process, learning style is major role acts to get a subject. See, software company, they'll ask like this. They'll give one small code snippet. See, just 4 lines code that is. Will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and executes, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? Not executes, where is the error? That error can we solve or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible, why it is not possible? This type question they are asking in a software company. You should familiar first this one. Then later 10 lines program also, 100 line program also, 1000 line program also they can write. That's what. First, what I'll teach this type also. While teaching, you have to listen. Later, one more code snippet I'll give. Suppose this code snippet I'll teach. This code snippet I'll teach. If I ask whether you understood or not, every student will give understood only. Okay? Every student will give understood only. Then what will happen? You will feel you understood. I'll feel all understood. Only feeling. No subject. I know about that. That's what. I don't ask understood or not. Same, similar. One more code snippet I'll give. One more code snippet I'll give. That code snippet, I'll ask question. You given right answer means this is you understood. You given wrong answer means you didn't understand. You will get it your status every day. Every day I'll interact with you. You will get it your status. Suppose while teaching this code snippet, 2 members are discussing, suppose in a classroom. Later can they give answer? No. While teaching this one, you'll concentrate on mobile. Can you give answer? No. While teaching this one, you'll think outside. Can you give answer? No. That's what highest priority listening. If listening is missed, everything is missed. Attending class is wasted. That is, always remember, first class to last class, every day I'll interact with you. So while interacting, compulsory you have to respond. Then only you'll get it your status. Otherwise, whether you understood or not, I cannot understand. Whether you, what you will feel you understood only. While sitting in a classroom, understood only you'll feel. Then what I'll think, all understood I'll think. That will be happen. That's what, like that I'm not teaching. Every day I'll interact with you. While teaching, if you listen, you can give answer. Suppose continuously your friends you are discussing. Can they give answer? It is not possible. Don't discuss in a classroom. After class, you can discuss. It will be more better. Suppose while teaching this one, you are discussing. Later, you are not listening. Your friend also not listening. Later, what will discuss? In a classroom, you listen. Your friend also will listen. After class, what you understood, what your friend understood, then discuss. It will be more better. But while teaching in a classroom only, if you discuss, it is waste of time. First class only, I'm saying, you stop discussions in a classroom. Otherwise, you will not reach your target. You will lose. Attending class is wasted. So, while sitting in a classroom, listen. First priority, listening. Okay. This is very small appears. But this one also, BTech 90% student also not giving answer. So, what they'll think? A byte type, B byte type, C byte type, 10 plus 20, 30 they'll write. It is error in Java. They don't know. But passed with BTech 90%. See, that is the academic position. It's happening. Because in software, in academics, they are not asking this type of question. What they'll ask? Explain static keyword briefly. One page you'll write. That is only. Okay. So, software company written test is different and your academic written test is different. It is not matching. So, actually here what will happen? A is a byte type. B is a byte type. Byte plus byte if you add, result is integer type. Integer if you assign to byte, error comes. That is type conversion required. In Java, 56 conversions are there. 56 conversions are there. Listen. For you only I'm saying. Listen. So, after class, I said no. Listening is highest priority. Listening is Mr. attending class waste. Okay. With the discussions, more knowledge comes, but not in classroom. Listen, your friend will listen, later you discuss. But in a classroom only if you listen, if you don't listen, no use. Okay. Now, A is a byte type, B is a byte type. Byte plus byte result int type. Integer if you assign to byte, error comes. 56 conversions are there. In 56, 19 conversions automatically done. 23 conversions error comes. We can solve. 14 conversion not possible to solve. Which are 14? Which are 19? Which are 23? One small technique is there. The technique I'll teach. I'll teach only 3. Remaining 53 you can give answer. It is possible. It is possible. One small technique is there. That technique I'll teach. The technique if you remember, out of 56, 3 only I'll teach. 53 you can give answer. It is possible. That type I'll cover. Okay. Online students, listen the class. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. Everything I'll cover. Listen the class. First priority listening. Many times I repeated. Okay. Now, here today, what exactly full stack Java? That is I'll cover first. Okay. For understanding this one diagram. See, it is one server. It is one server. Now, what is server also doubt? I know about that. Because what students knows, server means one computer, client means one more computer. That is only they know. Because in your college, in a lab, 100 rooms, in a one room only 100 systems will be there. One separate room will be there. In that room, one more computer will be there. They'll put it on sticker, server room. Seeing that, what student will think, that computer is server, these computers are clients. Like that they'll think. Client and servers are not computers. Client and servers are softwares. In one computer only, client software installed, server software installed, database software installed. All in a one computer only available. With one computer only, I'll teach internet program also. Because Java made for internet. Internet applications also you'll see in one computer only. Possible. So, listen, I'll give everything, I'll give server. Server nothing but one software. Okay, just listen. Server nothing but one software. If the program is running in server software, that program, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is the reason server required. If the program is running in server software, that program any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type of application purpose Java came. That type of application you are going to learn. See, for example, google.com. Google.com. It's one website. That website per minute, 2.5 crores of people are accessing within a 1 minute, not 1 day, 1 minute. See, for Google, how many requests are coming per minute? 2.5 crores. So, at a time, 2.5 crores of people are accessing Google server. Those many requests are coming to Google. So, one application, if it is running in server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type of application purpose Java came. Okay. Now, application will place in server. Suppose one small example, online results. Suppose online results, it will be like this. Enter hall ticket number. Okay, enter hall ticket number, and here you'll click submit button. Enter hall ticket number and click submit button. Like this will do. See, this application will place in server. This application will place in server. Once if you place in server, that application, any number of people at a time can access from any corner in the world. Like a Google, Yahoo, Gmail, Facebook, anything. Whenever you click on submit button, one more program. Here it shows hall ticket number, name of the candidate. Suppose C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks. Suppose like this, you will get it. Okay. See, you observe here. These two applications will deploy in server. Server is nothing but one software. It is one software. These two applications will deploy in server. Then any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. At a time, any number of people can access these applications. Suppose like this. Like this, n number of people at a time can access. These are like a clients. Client also one software, not computer. But in real time, client software in separate computer, server software, separate computer will install. That is the reason one computer is called client, one computer is called server. But here, in a one computer only, all clients, all servers I'll show you here. It is possible. Client 1, client 2, client 3. But here, data will not be in server. Data will not be in application. Data will be in database. It is one more software. It is one more software. This is one more software, database. It is also one software. This software contains data. Suppose data in table format will be there, results table. Suppose in results table, here, hall ticket number, name of the candidate, and C language marks, C++ marks, and Java marks, like this will be there. Hall ticket number, name of the candidate, C language marks, C++ marks, Java marks. Here, server and database software already connected. Here, hall ticket numbers. Suppose hall ticket number 1001, name of the candidate, marks of the candidate, like this we have. Now, with this diagram, what I'm explaining is what is full stack Java. I'm going to explain with this diagram. With this diagram, what exactly full stack Java, I'll explain. Like this, Here client one, here one browser will open. With the browser, will send the request. Yahoo.com, Google.com, Gmail.com, like that, will send the request. It is just, I'm taking one small example, online results. Online results. Online results, application will be in server, not in client. Now, you observe. Now, I'll explain. Listen with more concentration. With this diagram, I'm going to explain what is full stack Java. What is full stack Java? I'm going to explain. Now, whatever I given now, that is. Now, you observe. Server. Server is a one software. So, server is a one software. Now, no need to write. Notes I'll give tomorrow onwards. Server. Here, server is a one software that receives request from the client, comma, process the request, comma, constructs the response, and sends a response back to a client. So this is server definition. A server is a software that receives requests from the client, processes the request, constructs the response, and sends the response back to a client. So any software receiving request, processing request, constructing response, sending response back, that is called server. It's a one software. Our Java program also we can call it as server. That is, you'll see further. Okay. Now, here, what is this software is? This software receives requests from the client system, processes the request, constructs the response, sends the response back. That is called one server. That is one software. And here client. Client also one software. So client, server, database. These three are softwares only. These three in a one computer also possible. Say, this is one software, this is one software, this is one software, all in a one computer also possible. So, client also one software. See, client. A client is a software. A client is a software that sends a request to a server to get the response. See, a client is a software that sends a request to a server to get the response. Any software that is sending requests, any software that is sending requests to get the response, that software is called client. Any software that is receiving request, processing request, constructing response, sending response back, that is called server. For example, here, what I'll do is, I'll open browser. This browser, it is nothing but one software. Here, I'm typing google.com. My request passed. We got a response. This software is nothing but client. But only one browser, 10 browsers also can install. No? Every browser is one client. Every browser is one client. In a one computer, 10 clients also we can install. In a one computer, 10 servers also we can install. In one computer, 10 database softwares also we can install. So client, server, database. These three are called softwares. All softwares in a one computer also possible. We can install. Okay. See, any software that is sending request to get the response. Any software that is sending request to get the response. that software is called client. Any software that is receiving request, processing request, constructing response, sending response back, that is called server. Okay. Here, database. It is also one software. See, database. Here, a database is a software and it is organized collection of data. So database contains data, but data organized in a database in the form of tables. See here, this database contains data, large amount of data, huge amount of data can be stored. So the database is a one software which contains data. Gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, zettabytes data also we can maintain in a database. In a one database, huge amount of data can be maintained. Say for example, Facebook people, they are maintaining database. In Facebook database, how much data is there? See, whatever is there in your home PC, your photos, videos, audios, all you are uploading in Facebook. Like that, one person, 1 GB also uploading. Like that, worldwide, how many people are using Facebook? 200 plus crores of people using Facebook. 200 plus crores worldwide. Then how much data will be there in Facebook server, Facebook database? So huge amount of data will be there. And even Gmail server, how many mails are there? How many mails are there in your mailbox? No one is deleting also. Okay. 10 years back mail also it is there in the mailbox. Huge amount of data is there, no? WhatsApp server, how much data is there? Everyone is sending messages morning to night, hundreds of messages. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening also they are sending, no? Sometimes important messages also we are missing. It's happening. Those many messages are coming. But how much data is there in WhatsApp server? Huge amount of data. So database nothing but one software which contains data, but data organized. Reason, it is already developed software. It will organize automatically. If you place the data in database, it will be organized. That type already programs written. It is one software. So this software contains huge amount of data. The data organized in the form of tables. This type of tables, thousands of tables can be maintained. Every table, fields will be there like this. Hall ticket number, name, C, C++, Java, fields. These are all records. Thousands of records also possible in one table. 1 lakh records also possible in one table. Say Amazon web server, database. How much data will be there? How many items are there in Amazon website? Crores of items are there. How much data is there in Amazon website? How many customers are there? How many sellers are there? How many products are there? How much data will be there? Crores of items are there in Amazon and crores of customers are there. It is international business worldwide. So how many sellers are there? How many customers are there? How much data will be there? See, customer address, seller address, product information, from where you purchased, location information, on what date you purchased, which date you purchased. 5 years back, what you purchased also, it is there in your Amazon server. 5 years back data also, 10 years back data also is there. No? Till these many days, how many items you purchased from Amazon. The data you can retrieve. No? Who is seller also, who is customer also, from which location also, from on which date also, at what time also. Everything maintained. Huge amount of data. Huge amount of data will be there. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. See, huge amount of data. Data can be maintained. Okay. Client is a one software. Server is a one software. Database is a one software. Now, applications will place in server. Like that application, this application will place in server. Once if you place in server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That is server purpose. That's what Java programs are going to run in server. Java made for internet application. Internet application worldwide, crores of people can access at a time. Okay. That data, that applications will place in server, and from server will send, client will send the request to server will send the response. That type will be there. But data, it is not present in server. Data present in one more software, database. This database contains data. Now, first, what you will do in real time from browser? First, you'll open in your computer browser. Okay. See, first you'll open browser. You'll type one URL. Okay. Then request comes to server. What server will do? It will send this program here. That program comes to your system. Then you'll enter some hall ticket number. You'll click on submit button. Then again from browser, request comes to this program. What this program will do? It will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. Given hall ticket number is there. This complete data loaded in this page. Then this output transferred to browser. So it is receiving hall ticket number. It is communicating with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. That data loaded and passed to browser. That is called server. It receives hall ticket number. It will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. If it is there, data loaded. That data passed to browser. So again, one more person. You will send hall ticket number. It will communicate with database. That data, other data loaded, and it is passed to browser. See, one program in server, that program, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That program, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type of programs purpose Java. Java especially made for internet applications. 1995 Java came. 2023 also Java position #1 for developing internet applications. So Java booming in the market for developing internet applications. Developing internet application, highest priority they are giving for Java. So if they want to develop internet application, most of the companies, they'll select Java because platform independent security reasons are there. I'll explain further sessions. So that's what Java position #1 in the world. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If I disable chat box, if any problem comes with my voice or screen, you cannot chat. That is the reason chat box enabled. Okay. Listen the class. If problem with my voice or screen, then only chat. Okay. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Now, here, if the application deployed on server means that application worldwide, any number of people can access. That purpose Java made. How long internet will be there in the market? Up to that Java will be there. So internet usage in future, will it comes down? Never. Day by day internet usage increasing. See, in a family, 5 members are there means 5 mobiles are there. In every mobile, internet connection is there. Okay, everyone using mobile. That much usage is there about internet. So every day people are using mobile internet. Internet usage if comes down, then Java usage comes down. Internet usage never comes down. How long internet will be there? Up to that Java will be there. It is evergreen subject. 1995 onwards, 2023 also, Java position #1. Java position #1 in the world for developing internet applications. That much popular, Java. Okay. So here, whenever client request comes, it will communicate with database. Actually, this is only one program. This is only one program. Any hall ticket number, program is one only. Whenever hall ticket number comes, it communicates with database. Data will be in database software. So whenever hall ticket number comes, this page is prepared. But this page already prepared. This page is nothing. It is common to all users, same page. But this page is different. Whenever hall ticket number comes, then prepared. Who will prepare? Server will prepare. Server is going to prepare. It is on software. It is going to prepare. This is template type. There is no data. Whenever hall ticket number comes, then prepared. That is the reason I given server definition. It receives request, process the request. Receiving request nothing but receiving hall ticket number. Processing request nothing but whether it is hall ticket number, given hall ticket number is there or not. If it is there, constructing response, nothing but result loaded, sending response back, result passed to browser. That is server. That is server is going to do. That is just application will write, will deploy. Server is one software that will take care. So it is client, it is server, it is database. This client server communication, this type of applications we are going to build with Java. Now, today, what exactly full stack Java? That purpose I started this diagram. See, you observe. This is very simple appears to you, but it is not a small thing. You observe. This page, if you want to design, this page, if you want to design, HTML required. That page, if you want to design, HTML required. Okay. This page, if you want to design more attractive with colors, with background images, full attractive, if you want to design with multimedia content, then CSS we use. Cascading style sheets. And suppose hall ticket numbers are digits are there. Okay. Now server in US, client is in Hyderabad. What you will do? Hall ticket number by mistake alphabets you type it. Now what will happen? Hall ticket number Hyderabad to US transferred. Server will receive. Already that is invalid hall ticket number. No need to check in database also. But what it will happen? Server will communicate with database. Given hall ticket number is there or not, it will check. Later invalid error message comes. Invalid hall ticket number. But first to format is wrong. That hall ticket number leave it. That suppose 1001, 1002, 1003 is there. 1004 also invalid hall ticket number. But suppose hall ticket number only ABC typed. It is invalid immediately. No. That is number format is wrong. Format if it is wrong, in Hyderabad only you can check no instead of sending to US. That is also possible. Validations. JavaScript required. So before sending to server only can validate whether format is right or wrong. Format is wrong, you can stop here only instead of sending to server. Format is right, you can send. That will check in database. That number not there, invalid. But format is wrong means immediately you can give answer here only. Immediately you can give response here only. That is also possible. So for that JavaScript required. See, this program if you want to write, first HTML required. Hypertext markup language. If you want to design more attractive, CSS required. Cascading style sheets. If you want to validate, JavaScript required. But instead of writing program by you, if you want to use ready-made programs, Bootstrap required, Angular required. These are frameworks. Ready-made programs are there. Instead of typing by you, ready-made program you can open, you can customize. That type programs are there. Then Bootstrap required, Angular required, Ajax required, jQuery required, JSON required. So many client-side technologies are there. So these all required to this one. This one, receiving hall ticket number. Receiving hall ticket number, advanced Java required. And communicating with database, advanced Java required. Okay. Given all ticket number is there or not, checking. After that, loading. Advanced Java only required. Okay. But advanced Java directly cannot learn. Core Java required. Otherwise, not possible. Writing advanced Java program is not possible without core Java. That's what core Java required. Instead of using this advanced Java program, ready-made programs, if you want to write, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, Micro, this type of frameworks are there. So many are there. Those all required, ready-made programs. So for this program, UI modules required. For this program, Java required. Okay, Java modules required. But here, communicating with database doesn't know Java. Database can understand only one language, SQL, structured query language. The structured query language, SQL, comes here. That structured query language, multiple queries are there. More complicated task is there. We'll go for PLSQL. Procedures, functions will write. This is nothing but database modules, Oracle. That is required. Now, see, this program developed with UI modules. This program developed with Java modules. This database SQL queries, PLSQL queries developed with database modules. Applications are developed. But whether it is written properly or not, testing required. No? Before giving to client, we have to test the application. Testing required. Then testing modules. Manual testing possible. Automation, Selenium required. Some frameworks, if you want to use JUnit, these all, so many are there. Those all required. See, this is developed with UI modules. This is developed with Java modules. These SQL queries written with database modules. Okay. Application, whether working or not, checking purpose, testing required. Everything testing, working properly. We have to deploy in server, no? Deployment tools required. Development security operations. Server in US, you are in Hyderabad, but you can deploy. Nothing but uploading, downloading type. Development modules required. Server is going to manage. For that, some tools required. Configuration purpose. So, AWS, CloudWatch, Maven, Gradle, Log4j, Docker, Kubernetes, so many are there. So many tools are there. 10 plus tools are there. Deployment tools. Server is going to take care. Your application should manage how many requests are coming per minute. But that server capacity, less or more. If it is less, we have to increase the capacity. If it is more, and if it is decreasing, increasing, server configurations, like log files, when error came, when operation succeeded, when operation failed, that information storing purpose, log files, these all, so many are there tools. Server side tools required. These all development security operation modules. See, for you, it appears very simple. For that one only, how many required you observe? So, this page purpose, UI modules required. This program purpose, Java required. Database, SQL queries, PLSQL query, database. Application, whether working or not, checking purpose, testing. And all, if you want to manage in server, development security operation module. Providing security for your application, tools required. Configurations, which are we have to send, which are should execute first, which are should execute second, configurations required. And whenever client request comes, which program should execute, how server should understand, that configurations required. Those all development security operation tools required. Now, in a software company, one person is responsible for this type of programs. This type of programs only is responsible. That person is called user interface developer, UI developer, or UI designer will call. So, one person is responsible for this type of programs only. That person is called UI developer. One person is responsible for this type of programs only. That person is called Java developer, Java programmer, senior software engineer, Java programmers, that type. The one person is responsible for only database queries. database designer. One person is responsible for only testing application, tester. One person is responsible for only providing security, managing only, deployer. So this application not done by one person, 5 members team. One person is UI developer, one person is Java programmer, one person is database designer, one more person is tester, one more person is deployer. Like this. But instead of recruiting 5 members, nowadays they are recruiting one person. That person is called full stack Java developer. Is it clear? So if you know these all, you will become a full stack Java developer. But if you know only this one, you are Java programmer. If you know all, many opportunities are there. Nowadays, word appearing full stack, you observe. In a jobs portals also, full stack, huge demand is there. They're not asking only Java. They're asking full stack Java. Full stack Java means what student will think, full Java they'll think. Full Java means that is only. Full stack Java means with 5. So like that happening. What exactly full stack Java means? This is. Now, instead of recruiting 5 members, they are recruiting one person. That person only responsible for all. Because company cost cuttings, everyone they'll think about money. Everyone they'll think about money. Then instead of recruiting 5 members, instead of giving 5 members salary, they are giving to one person only. Double salary also okay. Instead of recruiting 5 members. That is the reason nowadays companies are asking full stack Java. So if you know these all, then you can join as a full stack Java developer. That is full stack Java program. This course present huge demand is there. Huge demand is there. And also this course designed by NASCAM people. NASCAM people. It is one organization, non-profitable organization. See what is happening, whatever you are learning in a college academics, whatever software companies, what they required, it is not matching. All are completing BTech with 80%, 70%, 90%, but they don't have jobs. Reason, what they are learning, what they are asking in a software company, it is not matching. That's what software industry required. That type of future skills program designed by NASCAM people. That course, this is that course. After completion of this one, you can write NASCAM exam also. You will get a NASCAM certificate also. So that certificate is valid in software companies. Highest priority will be there for those people. So that certificate also will get it end of the course. So here, these all courses you have to learn. After that, you can write exam. If you pass, you'll get a certificate. That certificate, if you attend interview, while seeing that certificate, they'll give highest priority. Priority will be there for you. But these many courses, how much time required to learn? Your doubt. Okay. I'll explain. Here, parallelly you can learn. Not only one course. Now present parallelly core Java class, HTML class, and SQL class, Oracle. These 3 parallelly you can start. Morning to night. In Amirpet, in our institute, morning 6 o'clock onwards up to 10 o'clock classes are there. Okay. Morning 6 to night 10 classes are there. 3 classes you have to attend per day. Per day, 3 sessions you have to attend. One is core Java. This core Java 7:30 to 9. Online students, I'll clarify your doubts. I'll give a time for doubts. In 5 minutes, I'll end. After that, I'll explain. Say core Java. This class is core Java 7:30 to 9. I'll take 7:30 to 9. Okay. This class timing 7:30 to 9. Parallelly, you can attend HTML class. Parallelly, you can attend Oracle batch. That is parallelly, you can start 3 classes. 3 classes, you can open our institute website. You can see other classes timings. If timing is not suitable, you can wait for next batch. Weekly 10 days, one batch will be there. No need to worry about that. Suppose in our institute, okay, this is your attending now, full stack Java. That is my surname. My name is Venkatesh only, Venkatesh Mansani. See, this is your attending 7:30. Okay, HTML batch. Suppose HTML batch. HTML batch. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Morning 9 o'clock. That timing is there. Now 7:30 to 9, this class you can attend. 9 to 11, that class you can attend. And parallelly, Oracle class. Oracle. Present Oracle class also is there. But this is 8 p.m. It is not suitable to you because my class only up to 9 o'clock. Okay. So later, next week, one more batch will be there. So what you have to do, 3 classes you have to attend. Core Java 7:30 to 9. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is one batch will be there. CSS, JavaScript. This is one batch. This is parallel you have to attend. And one more, Oracle. Nothing but SQL and PLSQL. This is one class. Okay. Other timings other than this. Now 7:30 to 9, Core Java class. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, morning 9 to 11 batch is there. If the timing is not suitable, wait for next batch. Weekly one batch will be there. Weekly one batch. No need to worry about that. Okay. If the timing is not suitable, next batch you can wait. Oracle, present batch is not there. Next batch. Maybe after next week, one more batch will be there. Within a 1 week, weekly one batch will be there. That batch also parallelly you can attend. Like that, 3 sessions. Core Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Oracle. Parallelly, if you learn these 3 classes, like this complete course, if you continue parallelly every day 3 sessions, if you attend, 4 to 5 months, it is going to be completed. Parallelly 3 sessions if you attend. Okay. Suppose for you 3 sessions not possible. 2 sessions if you attend, 6 to 7 months it will take. 1 session if you attend, 8 to 9 months also it will take. So this complete course, if you want to learn, minimum 3 sessions. If you learn very quickly, maximum 5 months it is going to complete. Okay. Parallelly if you learn, timing is not suitable, wait for next batch. Once if the Core Java exception handling topic is completed, parallelly advanced Java you can join. Once if the Solid topic is completed, parallelly you can learn frameworks. Here, once if the test, it's Oracle, if it is completed, you start testing. Testing will be completed. And manual testing, Selenium, JUnit. These all 2 months it will take. Here, once if this is completed, you can join this class. Bootstrap, Angular. These all tools. Just 2-3 days, one tool like 10 tools will be there, 1 month it will take. These all will be completed just in 5 months. Possible. Daily, if you attend 3 sessions, 3 sessions if you attend, within 5 months, it is going to be completed. Okay. Class time, my class time, this is 7:30 to 9, Core Java. Okay. Like here, after completion of exception handling topic, later I'll give guidance when you have to attend advanced, when you have to attend Hibernate, everything I'll clarify. Okay. So present you attend 3 batches. One is Core Java, one is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, one is Oracle. So these 3 parallelly you can start. Parallelly you can start. It is possible. It is possible. Okay. Later I'll guide you. Next what you have to learn, next what you learn, everything I'll guide you. Okay. But this class time is 7:30 to 9. This is Core Java. Suppose for you only Core Java required. Only Core Java also you can join. It is possible.